What is this called?
Question mark.
What is this called?
Exclamation mark.
What is this called?
Comma.
What is this called?
Semicolon.
What is this called?
Apostrophe.
What is this called?
Quotation marks.
What is this called?
Dash.
What is this called?
Period.
What is this called?
Parentheses.
What is this called?
Hyphen.
What is this called?
Ellipsis.
What is this called?
Colon.
What is this called?
Asterisk.
What is this called?
Bullet point.
What is this called?
Slash.
What is this called?
Caret.
What is this called?
Braces.
What is this called?
Brackets.